OBSBOT Tail 2 is talented at AI tracking PTZ control, and Director is compatible with this control mode. To use this feature on the Director device, you can connect Tail 2 to Director via UVC Mode or NDI Mode. First, let's start with UVC Mode, a straightforward and easy-to-use connection method. Connect the USB-C port of OBSBOT Tail 2 to the USB-A or USB-C port of the Director device. On the Director device, create a webcam scene, such as Webcam 1. Edit the source, like cropping and adding a frame. Then save your changes. Now the OBSBOT Tail 2 scene appears on the scene list. Long press the scene thumbnail and select PTZ Control. You can control the camera via the PTZ control panel. Then it comes the NDI mode. Open the OBSBOT Stat app on your phone and connect the camera. Go to the three-dot menu, scroll to Output, and enable NDI mode. On the Director device, create a NDI stream scene. In the pop-up window, tap NDI Search. Then you can see the NDI stream from the Tail 2 camera. Select the stream to open the scene editor. Open PTZ Control on the toolbar. Toggle on the options as needed, and then save all your setups. Long press the scene thumbnail and select PTZ Control. You can control the camera via the PTZ control panel. We can connect Tail 2 to Director via other different ways. Then the Director device can control Tail 2 via the VISCA protocol. The first way, use Tail 2 as an HDMI source. Connect the HDMI port of OBSBOT Tail 2 to the HDMI port of the Director device, such as HDMI 1. On the Director device, create a HDMI 1 scene. Here we are going to introduce the RTSP mode. Open the OBSBOT Stat app on your phone and connect the camera. Go to the three-dot menu, scroll to Output, and enable RTSP Mode. Then scroll to About Device, open to check the RTSP information. On the Director device, create a RTSP stream scene. Enter the custom name RTSP stream address from the OBSBOT Start app and tap Create. SRT mode requires setting SRT server at first. You can create SRT caller or SRT listener. The first method, use Tail 2 as a SRT listener source. Create a SRT listener scene on the device. Enter a custom name and a port number and finish other necessary settings. The stream address information is displayed at the bottom. Open the OBSBOT Stat app on your phone and connect the camera. Go to the three-dot menu, scroll to Output. Open SRT settings and select Caller Mode, then create a SRT stream. In the host field, enter the IP address of the Director device. In the remote port field, input the port number configured on the device. Save the previous setup and then select the SRT caller you created. Go back to the output list, and now you can enable the SRT mode. The Tail 2 camera starts stream to the Director. The second method, in the SRT settings, select Listener mode. Enter a stream ID and finish other settings. On the Director device, create a SRT caller scene. Enter the address, port, and stream ID. Finish other settings and tap Create. Enable SRT mode on the OBSBOT Start app. The Tail 2 camera starts stream to the Director. Finally, Tail 2 can stream to Director via RTMP. On the Director device, create an RTMP push scene. Enter a custom name, key, and set duration. The RTMP stream information is displayed at the bottom. Open the OBSBOT Stat app on your phone and connect the camera. Tap the red dot button. In the RTMP tab, tap the plus button. Enter the RTMP URL and streaming key. Tap Add to finish your creation. Select the created RTMP server and tap Start. Tail 2 starts streaming to Director. For HDMI, RTSP, SRT, or RTMP mode, you can follow these steps to enable PTZ control via the VISCA protocol. Open the OBSBOT Start app on your phone and connect the camera. Go to the three-dot menu, find About Device. Scroll down to view the IP address of the camera. Open PTZ Control on the toolbar in the Scene Editor. Enable PTZ, enter the IP address of the camera, enter the port number 52381, and turn on VISCA UDP message header. Then save your setup. Long press the scene thumbnail and select PTZ Control. You can control the camera via the PTZ Control panel. Please notice that camera control via the VISCA protocol only supports the standard PTZ control mode.